Quote, in a society that worships love, beauty, and freedom, dance is sacred. It is a prayer for the future, a remembrance for the past, and a joyful exclamation for the present. Unquote. Happy Spectrum Day to you all. A very good morning to one and all present here. I, Rihanna Singh,
And I, Riya Gulati,
And I, Vidita Chandwani, welcome you all to the annual intra-school dance competition Spectrum 2020. It is yet another day of the year to exhibit the talents of all the students through dance, the most soulful form of art.
we welcome our Principal, Ms. Diksha Khera, Vice Principal Academics, Ms. Reema Sharma, Vice Principal Administration, Mr. Naveen Kumar, and Headmistress Junior School, Ms. Ranjana Dean. We are grateful to Ms. Ranjana Dean, Headmistress Junior School, for covering the distance between junior school and senior school by letting the students of class 4 and 5 to participate in Spectrum as well. We welcome the junior students to our event and to our family. Thank you so much, Ranjana ma'am, for coming up with this opportunity. This year, we got the chance to organize our event in a wholly new manner. I have to say, you all never once made us feel like we're conducting a competition on a platform it has never been done on before. Each and every participant poured themselves so passionately that you made us forget that this isn't like any other Spectrum. Right now, I feel as though we are all in the KG hall preparing to start the event, running around backstage to check that all the mics are working and that the props have been set properly, checking everyone's costumes and makeup.
we almost talk about Spectrum as though it's an animate object. And maybe it is. Because I think we all can agree to the fact that at the end of the day, Spectrum isn't just a day when we all get up on the stage to compete with each other, to make our marks. Spectrum is its people. You all make Spectrum what it is. Be it on the stage with spotlights all over the place or through our laptop screens with your flawless presentation and videos.
This year, we received a total of 257 entries, out of which 109 entries were selected as finalists. We were only able to go through with the selection process because of our beloved teachers, Ms. Suranjana Saha, Ms. Raseshwari Nayak, and Ms. Monica Negi. After shedding blood, sweat, and tears, we were able to send all these final entries to the judges all across the country. It is heart-wrenching to see that the energy hasn't changed even in this virtual arena, and that's all that we can ask for. We owe it all to the beautiful young artists who made this event such an thrilling performance, and to say that we're overwhelmed would be an understatement. I would like to thank all the participants and their parents for putting in so much effort and making this a beautiful show. We will end this SAPFest now, and thank you for bearing with us.
We would like to welcome our esteemed judges for the competition. Shri Amitava Bhavmik, General Council Member of Lalit Kala Kendra, has won many national awards for art and sculpture. We welcome you, sir.
Ms. Disha Roy has been awarded with the Chitra Bhushan from Prachin Kala Kendra, Chandigarh. She is also the author of the art book for the school curriculum. We welcome you, ma'am.
Guru Manoranjan Nayak, PGT Shiv Nadar School, is an Odissi exponent. He is a twice gold medalist in the National Youth Festival. We welcome you, sir.
Arjuna Sinha, Head of Department Dance, DPS Kuwait, is a Kathak and contemporary exponent. We welcome you, ma'am.
Ms. Srimui Gangopadhyay is the founder of the Mahamaya Arts and Culture Trust Fund. She is also an alumnus of DPS Mathura Road and held the proud position as the president of the Dance Society. We welcome you, ma'am. Kindly pay attention to the rules and regulations of the event.
There are three categories for today's event: the dance competition, the art competition, and the logo designing competition.
The dance competition was open for all students from classes 4th to 12th. The videos were to be shot in landscape mode and mailed to spectrumdpsmrd@gmail.com. Time limit for the same was 2 to 2.5 minutes.
The art competition is open to all students from classes 6 to 12th. The participants were required to use an A3 size sheet and mail the scanned copies to spectrumdpsmrd@gmail.com.
The logo designing competition was open to all students of classes 9th to 12th. The entries may be digital art or drawn art and were to be mailed at spectrumdpsmrd@gmail.com. Without further ado, let's begin this event.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः.
Now we request our principal, Ms. Diksha Khera, to address the gathering with her pearls of wisdom.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I take great pleasure in extending a very warm welcome to all of you. Dance. Dance is imagination brought to life. Dance is a prayer. Dance is meditation. Dance is walking through the clouds, flying among the stars, gliding on the moon, and experiencing the pure bliss of heaven on earth. And Spectrum, an annual much awaited event, is here to provide you with all these experiences. More than just a competition, Spectrum is filled with energy, vigor, zeal, and fun. Today, you all get a chance to express yourselves in the best spirit of friendly competitiveness. It is a time to enjoy the splash of immense talent on the huge canvas that is spread out for you. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the participants who have sent in their entries. It takes great courage to record oneself, and for that, I applaud you all. This Spectrum, we have also incorporated the art integration program in the form of two wholly new competitions, art competition and logo designing competition. These new additions have proven to be highly beneficial for those who have always wished to be part of Spectrum in a way separate from dance. I appreciate the diligent teachers in charges and the team for passionately executing this event so beautifully, even on a virtual platform, and for giving the students of DPS Mathura Road a golden opportunity to show their colors through dance from the comforts of their homes. I am proud to announce that this is the first event which involves both junior as well as senior school. My best wishes to you all. I wish you a very happy Spectrum Day. I now declare the event open. Thank you.
It all started 6 years ago, in the month of May of 2015, under the guidance of one teacher and a team of 5. And since then, we've only grown. This growth has only been possible because of our mentor, Ms. Suranjana Saha, without whom the dance club would be in shambles. Spectrum since then became one of the most awaited events of the year. This family has grown every year, and we are very grateful for each and every one who helped in making this event a success. Although the focus of the event is always the participants, the work done by the volunteers and the organizers in making this event can't be forgotten. We've come a long way now, and it's been an incredible journey. Thank you to all the participants for making this day a success. Your enthusiasm is what makes this event so special. Thank you one last time. We'll see you all next year.
Hold your breath as we are about to begin with the prize distribution, starting with the art competition. Winners of classes 6 to 8 are
Now we have the winners of classes 9 to 12. Here are the winners of the logo making competition, starting with the classes 9 to 12.
Dancing is the loftiest, the most moving, the most beautiful of the arts because it is not a mere translation or abstraction from life. It is life itself. Our dance society is not just that, a society, but also a family. A family intertwined together so tightly that its members lift each other up to greater heights, towards achievements, towards success.
It has brought numerous laurels to our school, from conducting inter-school events to bagging a position in the national level competition.
Every event is incomplete without a dance performance, and when duty calls, it delivers.
Be it a dance performance for an assembly or a filler performance in the annual award ceremony, the Dance Society never disappoints.
It is our greatest honor to welcome all of you to one of the most glamorous events of our school, Spectrum 2020. It is a beautiful day and an emotional one.
It has been a long journey from participating in Spectrum ourselves to here being the main organizers.
All these years have made one thing absolutely clear, that no matter how much we drift apart, or fight with each other, or for that matter, kill each other, well, sometimes, we still end up together, much closer than ever.
We owe it all to our mentor and our guru, Mr. Ranjana Saha, who has always guided and supported us no matter what. Today it marks a momentous occasion. Today we'll be organizing our last Spectrum.
Today we'll try our best not to bawl our eyes out as we hand the baton to the next batch of our insanely talented artists.
Being a part of the society has shaped us into what we are today, and we'll always carry this piece of our souls with us. We hope this day is as special to you as it is to us. Happy Spectrum Day!
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 Moving on to the dance competition from class 4th, the consolation prize goes to Alankriti Narayan. The third position is bagged by Shrisha. The second position is secured by Unnati Gupta. And the first position is shared by Saina Sachdeva and Araina Janeja.
I am a disco dancer.
From class 5th, the consolation prize goes to Pranaya Dhar.
मुझ पे तुम्हारे सोने ट्राई ना The third position goes to Shirim Prashad. The second position is bagged by Suhana Munga.
मस्तियों का ये समा है, सेलिब्रेशन वाली बात है, फिक्र किसको है जहां की, मैं तेरे तू मेरे साथ है.
The first position is secured by Shravya Singh.
Moving on to the winners of Class 6. The consolation prize goes to Aparjita Singh. The third position is bagged by Manya Mittal and Alia Taj Raut. The second position goes to Samarth Pejal and Alishba Noor.
हवा पे हम झोंके, जो देखे वही चौंके, जब निकले टसन में हम बन ठन के.
Finally, the first prize is secured by Vanshika Vashisht and Vivian Rajahamsan.
Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me.
From class 7th, the consolation prize goes to Archisha Swarankar. The third position goes to Samriddhi Srivastava. The second position is bagged by Tapas and Pratha Gandhi.
खराब करे आ गलती बेहिसाब करे दो पल की जो नींद उड़ी आ पूरे सारे ख्वाब करे क्या करने हैं उम्रों के वादे ये जो रहते हैं रहने दे आने पतला गया ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਰਦੀ ਸਤਾਰਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਖਾਵੇ ਮੋਰਨੀ ਜੀ ਤੋਰੀ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਹੁਣ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਸ਼ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਆਵੇ ਨਾਗਣੀ ਦੀ ਅੱਖ ਵਾਲੀਏ ਨਾਗਣੀ ਦੀ ਅੱਖ ਵਾਲੀਏ ਨਾਗਣੀ ਦੀ ਅੱਖ ਵਾਲੀਏ ਸਭ ਕੀਰਤ ਤੂੰ ਗੁਰੂ ਕਵਾਰੇ.
And the first position is secured by Adhyan Gupta.
है सुना ये पूरी धरती तू चलाता है मेरी भी सुन ले अरज मुझे घर बुलाता है भगवान है कहाँ रे तू है खुदा है कहाँ रे तू है सुना तू भटके मन को राह दिखाता है मैं भी खोया हूँ मुझे घर बुलाता है भगवान है कहाँ रे तू है खुदा है कहाँ रे तू.
Now coming on to the winners of class 8th, the consolation prize goes to Vidhi.
कोई जो मिला तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था जैसे मेरी सारी दुनिया में गीतों की रुत और रंगों की बरखा है खुशबू की आंधी है महकी हुई सी अब सारी फिजाएं है बहकी हुई सी अब सारी हवाएं है खोई हुई सी अब सारी दिशाएं है बदली हुई सी अब सारी अदाएं.
The third position is shared by Ashmita Saxena and Aurra Saraf.
नैनो वाले ने छेड़ा मन का प्याला छलकाई मधुशाला मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया नैनो वाले ने रघुवर तेरी राह निहारे रघुवर तेरी राह निहारे सातों जन्म से सिया घर मोरे परदेसिया.
The second position is secured by Anulekha Roy. And finally, the first position is shared by Aragya Shastri and Tithyam Nahata.
तेरी नजदीकियों की खुशी बेहिसाब थी हिस्से में फासले भी तेरे बेमिसाल आए.
From class 9th, the consolation prize goes to Astha Ahuja.
कोई जो मिला तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था जैसे मेरी सारी दुनिया में गीतों की रुत और रंगों की बरखा है खुशबू की आंधी है महकी हुई सी अब सारी फिजाएं है महकी हुई सी अब सारी हवाएं है खोई हुई सी अब सारी दिशाएं है बदली हुई सी अब सारी अदाएं.
The third prize goes to Anya Juneja and Sanya.
कर दे जीना मेरा मुश्किल कर दे जीना मुश्किल कर दे जीना मेरा हंसता हंसता जाने आगे तो.
The second prize goes to Devika Kharayat.
आया हूँ आज मैं लेके जाऊंगा दिल तेरा रोके कोई मुझे टोके कोई मुझे दूंगा उसे जहाँ से मिटा मुकाबला मुकाबला लैला ओहो लैला.
The first prize goes to Spriha Maurya and Prisha Seth.
class 10th, the consolation prize is backed by Navodita Goyal and Hiya Vats.
When we walked in, I said I'm sorry, but now I think that we should stay.
The third prize is shared by Prisha Jasoria and Bhumi.
누가는 수저 더럽대 I don't hate 마이크 잡은 붐 수저 여러 배 버럭해 잠옷 익은 것들 새끼 여러 개 거두벌 씹어 죽겠다 에이 연우를
नैनो वाले ने छेड़ा मन का प्याला छलकाई मधुशाला मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया.
The second prize is bagged by Janvi Gupta and Niyati Kaushik. Finally, the first position is secured by Shesha Singh and Toishi Gaur.
Moving on to the dance competition from classes 11th and 12th, the consolation prize is shared by Ria Raja Hampson and Roina Mishra.
मेरे ढोल ना सुन मेरे प्यार की धुन मेरे ढोल ना सुन.
The third prize goes to Bani Bhatnagar and Anvi Jain.
Bite my time, wearing a warning sign. Wait till the world is mine. Visions I vandalize, cold in my kingdom size. Fell for these ocean eyes.
The second prize is secured by Anvita Bhatt and Arpita Arora.
कान्हा रे नंद नंदन कान्हा रे नंद नंदन
चाहत की जरा कोई पूछे कीमत क्या दिल ने चुकाई है.
And the first prize goes to Saji Oberoi.
हो सुरमा बरूद हो गया हो अख जट्टीए टका के जदों मारी हाय सुरमा बरूद हो गया हो अख जट्टीए टका के जदों मारी हाय सुरमा बरूद हो गया.
This brings us to the end of the prize distribution. We thank the participants for always being enthusiastic about dance and loving it as much as we do.
Now, we have a vote of thanks by our teacher in charge, Mrs. Ranjana Saha.
Good afternoon. A warm and graceful afternoon to everyone present here. I, on behalf of the entire Team Spectrum, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to everyone who played a role in making this event as glamorous as always. Spectrum is an annual intra-school dance competition, but this year it also entailed an art competition and a logo designing competition for its 6th edition. And I would like to express my sincere thanks to each and every participant for showing such an enthusiastic response towards all the competition. I also wish to express my deep gratitude to our respected principal, Mrs. Diksha Khera, for always encouraging us and motivating us to take the event to great heights. Thank you to Vice Principal Academics, Mrs. Rima Sharma, and Vice Principal Administration, Mr. Naveen Kumar, for being our pillar of support always. I must mention a deep sense of appreciation to Junior Wing Headmistress, Mrs. Ranjana Dean, for believing in us and extending the Spectrum family to junior school as well. I thank my dear colleagues, Rasheshwari Nayak and Monica Negi, for standing by my side at each point and make sure that the event goes smoothly. A very special thank you to all the members of Team Spectrum for putting their blood and tears in organizing everything so well and making the event a huge success. Happy Spectrum Day to all of you. Keep dancing.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
See you all next year. Stay safe and keep dancing. Bye.